Hello, so this is Anthony, and this is the one of the weight pads that got returned. And it might not seem like it's an issue from the outside, but there is missing a handle on that side to actually grab up. And when I turn it over, you'll start seeing a problem. Review. You see all the loose wires from all the low cells. So you're gonna need one of these connectors because all the wires are gonna meet up here. This is how I got it returned, and we'll try to fix it up and see what we can do about it. So fast montage. I'm about halfway there. You can see I'm putting all the red together, the green, white, and black, and then on the left side there will be the connectors for the home run cable that goes to the readout. So if you notice, I gave up cutting on putting it all together into one. So I'm actually going to restrip it and then make the longer wire and actually try to tangle it and put it back in. Okay, so you can see how I got all of them in there, red, green, white, black. So now I'll get the other side, which is the home run cable that goes to my readout. So the most important part is matching the colors of the other cable to the right side. Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, so it does change with the C15 raw data. So at least it notices when I put weight on it, number goes up. When I remove weight, number goes down. So it's good. Let's try calibrating it. This is about 10-pound accurate. 10,000 pound. Got it? See, it's 20 kg, which is 44 pounds, which it rounds down because it's accurate within 10 pounds. So round it down to 40 pounds. So this weight pad is good. Now I'll actually put the correct home run cable on the cover, and then we'll be done. So I might have found the cover a little dirty, and then this is the connector that actually goes on it. You see the bare wire and 4 wires. So when it connect it up, and I clean this pan up. Okay, clean the pan much as I can off screen. So now it's just time to assemble it. Okay, so I flipped it over, and this is the final test. Since the same readout in similar cable, but doesn't really matter. Calibration is still saved, so we could try with my body weight and see how it is. And it's correct, it shows 160 pounds is my weight, and that is how you fix a weight pad. Thank you, bye.